Using the existing WooCommerce payment method management screen, you can enable and disable specific payment methods. To create your own payment method, select Other Payment Method. This is a generic payment method that can be used to set your own custom payment method. Ensure that it is enabled and specify your own custom payment method title before saving your changes. You can also change the order that your custom payment method displays in the FooSales apps by dragging the payment method in the main payment method screen. Your changes will now be visible in the FooSales apps, and your custom payment method can be used at checkout. When viewing orders in your WooCommerce store, the orders processed by FooSales will display the relevant payment type in the POS column. Your custom payment method will also display in this area and will be available as an order type filter. For more information, please visit help.foosales.com.